Hey everybody, this is Wolfpack. What am I supposed to do again?
I don't know, you want to make a video.
Oh, I wanted to make a video. For TikTok?
For YouTube.
Okay, we'll do one for YouTube then. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'll start over.
No, why?
Okay, never mind.
No, don't fuck it up. Hey, it's plus 18, motherfuckers.
No, it's not.
It is! If you're not 18, you're not allowed on YouTube.
Millions of people out there who still are not offended by their own shadow. Alright, so big props to y'all. Second off, March 5th, today is a big day for me. My new album, American Savage, just hit stores. It's everywhere digitally. So go get that, especially if you love country music.
Cuz Twittly was just telling me about his cousin about this guy.
Support independent country music. Alright.
Okay, we're gonna have to work on this one. Wolfpack wants to help out his cousin.
Right in the middle of Black History Month. Have their children's books not have diverse cartoons? Cause everything is cancelled, including Dr. Seuss.
Am I allowed to use this song?
Jail. They're all offended cause they're crazy as hell.
Oh, copyrights? Oh, are they gonna skip the song every time I touch in? Oh, we'll work with that one. Oh my god, we can't do anything today! I'm Wolfpack, peace and it's recording. And I seen Scuzz Twittly yesterday. He said, you know what? Shit happens in life. Have you ever seen Charlie Sheen? He was really kinda lean. This guy is probably a fan of him. We can do this every day again. Now we are comedians. That's what we do. We make people laugh, and I hope it's true. And if you can't do anything with your life, come on, don't be miserable. Why are you so miserable? I'm looking at you when I sit. It doesn't really matter. You're miserable, but I'm not. I'm Wolfpack. I hope you all love it. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, but oh no, kumbaya. That's fucked in the head. Do you have a coma? Kumbaya, I got a coma. That's a stupid religion, I think. It causes comas. I heard somebody that had a problem today when I was listening to somebody on the radio. They had a problem with freaking having a memory. And I'm sitting there, you know what? Why you have no memory? It's because you got lack of oxygen to the brain. Anyways, I'm Wolfpack. Have fun. Enjoy. Oh, kumbaya, ma, kumbaya. All that bullshit.
Like,
too.
comment, subscribe.
Yeah, do all that crap. Anyways, fuck this shit.
This discovery could save your life.
Eat a chocolate bar with diabetes. It might save your life. I don't know what the fuck to say with that one. Anyways, have fun. Enjoy. Whatever. Fucking eat a cookie then. I don't care.
Top doctor.